Hi, friend. Do you want to make something that can fly? Let's make a simple paper airplane together. I'll go nice and slow. First, I find one sheet of paper. Any color is okay. I lay it flat on the table, smooth and quiet. I fold the paper in half, like a book. I press the fold with my hand. Crease, crease. Now I open it back up. I can see a line in the middle. I take the top corner and fold it down to the middle line. I press the edge. Then I take the other top corner and fold it to the middle too. Press, press. It looks like a little roof. I fold the point down so the tip touches the bottom edge of the roof. Press gently. Fold left side to middle. Fold right side to middle. Pointy nose, nice and neat. Press the folds. I fold the whole plane in half, away from me, along the first line. Almost done. Time for wings. I fold one side down to make a long wing. Press the edge. I flip it over and fold the other wing to match. Press. Wings are even. I lift the wing tips just a tiny bit. That helps the plane glide. Look, it's our flying plane. I hold it gently by the bottom, near the nose. I point it forward and up a little. I'm going to fly it in a safe, open space. No faces near, no pets near. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Whoosh! Off it goes. If it turns too much, I bend a wingtip just a tiny bit. Little changes help a lot. Let's try again. Soft throw, glide, glide. Beautiful flying. Great job, friend. You made something that can fly. Want to make more? See birds, see clouds, see airplanes. Bye-bye.